Dr. Lakshika from Bargaining Reef Ayurveda Resort Hospital Private Limited. Today we are going to explain about how to make a bitter gourd curry. First I would like to explain what are the ingredients. These are the bitter gourds. You can take 200 gram of bitter gourd. It's enough for the 2 person. Then you have to make 100 milliliter of tin coconut milk and 50 milliliters of thick coconut milk. As well as other ingredients are onion, garlic, green chili and curry leaves, salt, turmeric powder and curry powder. Now we can make bitter gourd curry. First you have to clean bitter gourd and then you can cut into small pieces. After that, you can put it into the saucepan. Then you can add 1 teaspoonful onion, 1 teaspoonful garlic and green chili and curry leaves. Then you can add half teaspoon salt, half teaspoon turmeric and half teaspoon curry powder. Then you can boil this mixture by using tin coconut milk, 100 milliliter of tin coconut milk. Within 20 minutes you can boil this mixture. After boiling bitter gourd, you can add thick coconut milk and finally within 20 minutes you can make a valuable bitter gourd curry. Now I would like to explain about what are the medicinal effects of the bitter gourd. It's very helpful for the blood purification and bitter gourd helpful for the control our blood sugar level, and it helpful for the healing eczema and improve your vision, and it is very useful for the anti-aging. And